Hello everyone. Our new topic, quartile. In a quartile, we need to find out the Q1, Q2 and a Q3. First, we consider about all the set of observation divided by 4. Look at here. What we written here? In a quartile, the all set of observation is divided by 4 equal parts. But on that, we only the find out the quartile 1, quartile 2 and quartile 3. In that, we generally find out only the Q1 and Q3. Q2 become median. Therefore, in quartile, what we find Q1 and Q3. When we solve the sum, means whenever we solve the sum, first we arrange the data in ascending order, otherwise in descending order. Ascending, small value to largest value, and descending means opposite of that, largest value to smallest value. After ascending or descending order, what we do? We solve our sum by use of formula for Q1 and Q3. Means first we use the simple method. Means how to solve it. Before solving, first we see their formula. Like for Q1. In a Q1, this one is the ith value. Okay. Then here we write the size of ith value in a bracket put up here, n plus 1 divided by 4th observation. Means here the n represent as the total number of observation. Means how many observations given in a questions. We count it and write here the value of n. Then add up by 1, then all divided by 4 observation. Similar, we find out the Q3. Our ith value is 3. Then put up your formula, size of ith become the 3. Then write their formula n plus 1 upon 4th observation. Means whenever we find out the Q1 and Q3, first we consider their formula. Let's see some example how to solve it. Let's see our example. Here we return 10, 12, 16, 7, 9, 5 and 2. Then after, when we solve it, first we arrange the data. Arrange the data in ascending order. Means first we arrange our data. First we write the smallest number. Which one the smallest number? 2. After 2, 5. After 5, which one is greater? 7. After 7, 9. Then after 10. After 10, 12. And last one become the 16. First we count it. How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means the number of observation is 7. Then after, we use our formula to find out. First one, we find out Q1. Their formula is size of n plus 1 upon 4th observation. Then size of n, the value of n is 7 plus 1 divided by 4th observation. 7 plus 1 become the 8 divided by fourth observation. Here 4 2s are 8 means the second observation. Then we want to be write the second observation. Here we write up the second observation is second observation. Let's to see in our data. The first observation is 2 and second observation is 5. Then second observation is 5. Therefore, our quartile 1 is equals to 5. Then we need to find out Q3. Then write again their formula. Size of third है ना 3. Ith value is 3. Then put up their formula n plus 1 upon fourth observation. Then 3. The value of n is 7 plus 1 divided by fourth observation. Same as in a 3 we multiplied by that. 7 plus 1 become the 8 upon fourth observation. 3 right here. Then 4 2s are 8. Second observation. We multiplied it. 3 2s are 6th observation. Then we write up here the sixth observation is sixth observation. Again we count first, second, third, 4, 5 and 6 is 12. Therefore, the quartile 3 is equals to 12. Means with the help of such formula, we find out the value of Q1 and the value of Q3.